Hello, everybody. How are you? It's a new day. It's a new day. Let's learn new things. How are you? I hope you had a very good day, very lovely day. So today we're gonna be talking about subject pronouns. Subject pronouns. This video, I'll try to slow myself down a little bit because this video it's like for beginners, like the person who just started learning English. Okay, so let's start. Well, subject pronoun. When you go to courses, English courses, of course, English courses, when you come, for example, to Australia to learn English here with this purpose, in your first day, usually you learn subject pronouns, verb be, and you learn how to put them together. Okay? So this class, as you can see, I'm speaking kind of slowly just to make sure you understand. Okay? But let's see. Subject pronoun. It's not gonna be a very long class. Let's put subject pronouns. Very good, very good, very good. So I will make a list with you. Let me put here. Very good. So let me put all of them in bold and all of them in black. Very good. So we have some subjects here. Some pronouns. You, he, she, it, we, you, again, and they. Teacher, first question. Why do I have two you? You and you. Why? Because I use one for singular when I have, for example, I'm talking to you. One person is watching this video. One person. But I can use you for plural form. What is the difference? That's the beauty of English. There is no difference because depends on the context. It doesn't matter if I'm talking to you or you 10 students in front of me. It doesn't matter because I will always use you. If you are from Brazil, from Colombia, talking about Spanish in this case, we have this pluralization. We have it in Brazil. We have two words for this, which is one of them is você and vocês, but in English, you and that's it. Okay? Sorry. This is going to depend on the context you are talking about. Okay? Very good, very good, very good. Beautiful. Nice. I. It's like me, myself. Okay, I am Bruno. Okay, I'll just create some examples. I can say, I am oh, Bruno. This is this highlighted part here is my subject. Beautiful. I can say, you are a teacher. Let's imagine that I'm talking to a teacher and I say, oh, you are a teacher, right? You are a teacher. Here I have my subject. And okay, we have another thing here, which is the verb be. I'm also showing you how to use the verb be. Am, or, and the next is. She is a nice person. She's a nice person. I love her. I love her. That's the example here. She. Uh, he. He is a good guy. He is a good guy. It. It is my dog. It is my dog. Don't talk to my dog like this because it's my dog. Just one example, just to make sure you understand. Okay? It is my dog. We are the champions. We are the champions, my friend. Remember the music? Remember there's a song. It's a song for I don't remember Queens, I think. Queens, something like this. Yes, I believe it's Queens. Uh we are the champions. Oh, sorry. Look, can you see? I'll leave it underlined here. This underlined part is the verb to be. Remember, you were at school and your teacher talked a lot about verby, 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 verby. And you were like, what the hell is that? I have no idea what verby is. Now, you know, am or is. We have more, but in this class, I'm not gonna go deep in this whole beat thing, okay? So don't worry, don't worry. Just remember, am or is. That's it. Uh, and we have one more. They. They are. They are here. I'm just creating the examples out of my mind. Very good. So, teacher, put one more you. Why? It's the same. Remember, singular, plural, I can use you in both ways. So there's no purpose on creating one more just to show you that I'm talking about plural. Okay, if you really want, I can do like this. Uh, you are teachers. Oh, highlight like this. Okay, look. You are a teacher. So when I read this sentence, I am I understand that it's one because I'm talking to one teacher. Imagine my teacher is in front of me here. Oh, you were a teacher. Very nice. I love this job and so on. Perfect. But let's imagine that I'm talking with five people. Five people. Okay? And I say, oh, very nice. You are teachers. Teacher. Can you see this S here? Oh, this S here. This S here displays me that it's plural. When I say teacher, I have one. When I say teachers, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 1,000, 1,000,000. I don't know, whatever. Okay, so here you guys could understand the subject pronouns. Okay, these this highlighted part here, like the yellow parts, just you to understand, they are called subject pronouns. Okay, it's very easy. It's one of the things that you first learn whenever you start your English journey. Okay, guys, I told you it would be a short class. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for staying with me here. I hope I have helped you somehow. I don't know what you're looking for, but thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you have any questions, anything that you want to say, I don't know, just leave it in the comment section here, and I'll like try to help you. I'll try to figure it out with you. Okay, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I hope I see you around. See ya. Take care.